Hey everyone, so I've been getting these comments and many requests on how I draw eyebrow on my makeup board. So I've been doing this for quite a long time now, so I am used to it. So I'm gonna share today my tips and tricks on how you can achieve that perfect brow and how you can draw your own brows on either as a client or anyone or this practice board, because most of my students are struggling to draw eyebrows on this practice board. So here I am using two kinds of pencil. One is a Kiko Milano pencil, which is in the shade number 3, and another is a Miss Claire pencil, which is a darker toned one. So first I'm starting with this Kiko Milano pencil, which is a lighter one, and just sketching out the desired shape that I want for my brows. And now I'm going in with the Miss Claire pencil, which is the darker toned one, to just define each strands of hairs and get like very sharp hair like strokes. So, and mimicking, initially like mimicking the hairs, your natural hairs, eyebrow hairs. So as you can see, and this pencil I will only be using to define the tail of the eyebrow, which is very bushy and fuller in like your natural brows. Also you see it's really thick and bushy at the end, and then little bit in the front. I like to define few strands so that it looks natural and not made up. So now I am going in with this Chelsea eyebrow powder, and I like to spritz some MAC Fix Plus in it. You can use any of your setting spray here, and I am drawing thin eyebrow like strokes. And now I'm going in with the Morphe pomade. This is in the shade Java, and this is more darker tone chocolatey brown shade than the previous ones. And to be a bit extra and to define more of it, I'm going with the pomade. You could actually skip that part. And now is the final step. I'm going in with the concealer, and here make sure it should be your skin tone concealer and not more lighter or darker than the dummy or the makeup board, because then it would look very fake. So this is the final look. How do you guys like it? If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and like, share and subscribe to my channel.